Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Miro versus Figma. Miro excels as a digital whiteboard, perfect for brainstorming, workshops, and visual collaboration across distributed teams. Figma, on the other hand, is a powerful interface design tool, ideal for creating user interfaces, prototyping, and design systems. While they both offer real-time collaboration, their core functionalities cater to distinct stages of the creative process, making them valuable for different tasks. Miro's key features include an expansive infinite canvas, a vast library of templates, and robust sticky note functionality, making it perfect for brainstorming sessions and agile planning. Figma shines with its powerful vector editing tools, auto layout features, and component-based design, which are crucial for building scalable design systems and interactive prototypes. Each tool is tailored for specific use cases, from initial ideation in Miro to detailed interface creation in Figma. Both Miro and Figma offer exceptional real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously on the same canvas or design file, complete with live cursors and commenting features. Miro integrates seamlessly with popular project management tools such as Jira and Asana, enhancing workflow efficiency. Figma also boasts strong integrations with communication platforms like Slack and various user testing tools, streamlining the design feedback loop. These integrations are vital for cohesive team environments. Miro offers a free plan that includes 3 editable boards, with paid plans typically starting at around $10 per user per month for more features. Figma also provides a generous free starter plan, while its professional plans usually begin at $15 per editor per month. Miro is primarily aimed at teams focused on visual collaboration, brainstorming, and strategic planning. Figma is the go-to for UI/UX designers, product teams, and developers who need to create and prototype digital interfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.